Understanding cultural touchstones, uniting through shared experiences. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and vital concept in both the English language and culture: cultural touchstones. These are the movies, books, events, and even jokes that seem to unite us, no matter where we're from. Understanding these can not only improve your English but also help you connect with English-speaking cultures on a deeper level. Let's explore together what makes something a cultural touchstone and why it matters. A cultural touchstone refers to any cultural product or event that holds significant meaning for a large segment of society. It's something that many people can relate to, discuss, and reference in conversations. Examples include classic movies like The Wizard of Oz, iconic TV shows such as Friends, significant historical events, or even widely recognized advertisements. These touchstones form a common ground for people, often evoking a sense of nostalgia or shared experience. Understanding cultural touchstones is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, they provide insight into the values, concerns, and humor of a society. They're a window into what a culture finds important, funny, or moving. Secondly, knowing these touchstones can make learning English more enjoyable and relevant, as it allows learners to understand references and jokes in conversations, movies, and literature. Lastly, they're great conversation starters and can help you connect with native speakers on a more personal level. Let's delve into some examples to better understand this concept. Movies and TV shows. Films like Star Wars or series like The Simpsons are global cultural touchstones. They've shaped entertainment, influenced language, and created a shared lexicon of quotes and references. Music. Albums like Thriller by Michael Jackson transcend musical preferences to become cultural milestones, influencing fashion, dance, and music video production. Events. Historical events like the moon landing in 1969 or the fall of the Berlin Wall are touchstones that capture moments of unity, achievement, or change significant to many people. To recognize and use cultural touchstones effectively, watch and listen. Immerse yourself in English language media. Watch classic and contemporary movies, listen to iconic music, and follow popular TV shows. Read. Dive into classic literature, popular novels, and influential magazines. This not only improves your language skills but also provides cultural context. Engage. Participate in discussions, whether online or in person. Ask about people's favorite movies, music, and events. Share your experiences and listen to theirs. Cultural touchstones are more than just popular culture. They're the threads that weave the tapestry of a society. By understanding and appreciating these, you'll not only enhance your English language skills but also gain insights into the cultural nuances that make English-speaking societies unique. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and encourages you to dive deeper into the rich world of cultural touchstones. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.